Cafe Ka Business, Cleaner Concentrate. Thorough market research. Understand the demand for cleaner concentrates in your target market. Identify competitors and analyze their strengths and weaknesses. Quality ingredients. Source high quality, eco-friendly ingredients for your cleaner concentrate to stand out in the market. Effective formulation. Develop a powerful and versatile cleaner concentrate that addresses various cleaning needs. Eco-friendly packaging. Consider sustainable packaging to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Competitive pricing. Determine a pricing strategy that is both competitive and ensures a reasonable profit margin. Marketing and branding. Create a strong brand image emphasizing the benefits of your cleaner concentrate. Utilize digital marketing, social media, and partnerships for promotion. Distribution channels. Establish efficient distribution channels to reach a wider audience. Consider both online platforms and retail partnerships. Customer feedback and improvement. Encourage customer feedback to continually enhance your product. Stay adaptable to market trends and consumer preferences. Regulatory compliance. Ensure compliance with regulations and safety standards for cleaning products. Customer education. Educate consumers on the effectiveness and benefits of concentrated cleaners. Provide usage guidelines for optimal results.